Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about caravan cooking devices, i.e. your cooker and various other items, and we're going to share our experiences and what we have now decided works for us. So first of all, I'll hand you over to Juliet, who's going to have a chat about the internal cooking devices that we use.
Now, the main piece of equipment in your caravan is the cooker. But it's not like a domestic cooker. It doesn't get as hot. It takes a lot longer to cook anything. Now, we do use the hob, but we don't fry on it because it does tend to make the caravan greasy or smells. We use the grill. It makes lovely cheese on toast. We had that the other day. And we've always used the oven since we got the caravan, especially in winter or early spring, because it's colder, so we tend to have different kind of meals. Now, to make the best use of our oven, because it only came with one wire shelf, Phil ordered a universal wire shelf from I think Amazon, and it's worked really well, so we're able to make it more versatile. Now, we were fortunate that our caravan came with a microwave, which we do use an awful lot. But in the daytime, I have to admit, it does get used as a bread bin. Now, the last appliance inside the caravan is our toaster. Now, it's a low wattage one, especially for the caravan, rather than a domestic one. But we have been able to use it outside with the power bank as well, so it does be more versatile then. Now, I'm going to hand you back over to Phil and he can talk about the outside cooking, which is his domain.
Now, over the time that we have been caravanning, we've had quite a number of outside cooking devices. The first thing that we tried was a Kadak, like most people do. And I have to say I was very disappointed with it. We had issues with the components almost welding themselves together, and it became a bit of a hazard, so we sent it to the recycling centre and that put us off them. We then moved on to a tabletop gas barbecue by Camping Gas, which was okay, but when you wanted to regulate the actual heat downwards, it would blow out the flame, so it was a bit of a nuisance really, so we moved that one on as well. We then moved on to the electric teppanyakis, and we had about 3 or 4 of those, and each one of them either twisted or warped, or we had problems with the thermostat on the device itself. We then got a Outdoor Revolution electric grill, and this worked really well. However, after a period of time we noticed that the thermostat was playing up, so again we moved on. So we now move to today's one what we've got, which is this. It's a gas grill. And we like this because it's got 2 individual griddle plates, but these can be removed and burner rings can be added, and you can use it for cooking with pans as well. And so far we've been pretty impressed with it. There are a few niggles that I have noticed, so I won't recommend it here on the channel. Well folks, that's the equipment that we use to cook either inside or outside the caravan, but we have actually given in to new technology.
We have, and we bought ourselves an air fryer.
We bought it off Amazon, and it's designed for a low wattage for caravans, and we tried it for the first time last night and did some French fries, and
they were very good.
They were really good.
Keeper.
It is indeed. So that's been added to what we use. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little insight into what we use. We'd love to know in the comments what you use. Maybe it might give us some ideas as well.
It might do.
Yeah.
Not enjoy your caravan and enjoy your meals.
Yes, indeed. And on that, we're going to go. So bye for now.
Bye.